Now we're going to talk about how we can create a custom curve. To understand how we can implement a custom curve, we're going to take help of an example. So when I'm clicking here, this object is moving from here to here. Now I want to animate this object in a zigzag fashion, right? For this, what we are going to do, we are going to manipulate the horizontal animation. And for the manipulation work, we are going to take help of custom curve. So now we are going to define the curve which will be known as zigzag curve, and we are going to extend this curve with the curve class. So the inheritance is mandatory here, and you also need to override the transform internal method, right? And here we are going to do the all the transformation work, all the calculations, and the value of t should always be in the range of 0 and 1. Similarly, the value which you are going to return should always be in the range of 0 and 1. So now there's one more thing. When I'm moving from here to here is known as a bar. So we are going to take bar numbers inside the zigzag curve constructor, and we are going to use this bar value to increase the speed of t, and we will store the value inside the product, and we are going to return the product. But what if the value of product is greater than 1? In that case, we are going to extract the whole number, and we are going to use floor method to extract the whole number. So we need to check whether the whole number is odd or not. If it's odd, then we are going to run the animation in the opposite direction, and in that case what we are going to do, we are going to add whole number plus 1, and we are going to subtract the product. So when the value is greater than 1, so let's take an example. So the value is 1.9, or we can say 1.1, right? So as we know, the value is 1.1, so the whole number would be 1, and we will add plus 1 to this number. And if we subtract 1.1 from here, so we will get 0.9. So as the gradually value is increasing, so we can say 1.2 will get 0.8. Now in the case of even value, we are going to subtract the whole number from the product. So this will allow us to move the animation in the forward direction. Now we can use this curve tween, and we are going to pass the number of bars. So now I'm going to pass 3 here. Now we can run it. So as you can see, we have successfully implemented the custom curve. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.